Okay, so this is this same roof that I was doing the top up in, and you can see we've put the shrouds around a bit further out now, and if we look out across the roof you can see now that it's all a lot deeper and up to the tops of the joists, and so none of the job's low. Just a second, and if I walk through over here where I was before, right, we can look out over here. Now that's actually a patio there, so that's why that bit's not done, but here you can just see the tops of the joists all the way through, right, and that's how the job should look. And this was this really low bit out here before that I was showing you, and as you can see now it's all nice all the way out to the edges, so that's how we like to see it. And unfortunately it just wasn't done right to start with. And now this is just while I'm here, this is the drip tray on the bottom of a ducted air conditioning system, right? And so I've gone around with the garden blower and blown all that out and blown it off the top, so it's all nice and clean. And we have cleaned out all the downlights, and so the job's all done. I'll just walk back and show you on the other side. Because over this side, actually, this is the furthest point from the entry way, from the driveway. The manhole on this house is at the back of the house, which is a bit unusual, but that meant that the guys doing the job last time probably ran out of hose. They probably didn't have enough hose to